Today I want to talk about what a serum is and why you would use one. Serums are a little different from face oils in that they are typically a blend of oils and then they include some sort of actives. Both of our serums have different active ingredients. In our Transform serum, we're using a really beautiful profile of different plants to activate the radiance in your skin, as well as essential oils. And then in our hydrating serum, we're using Swiss apple stem cells as the main active, as well as a little bit of hyaluronic acid and essential oils. So you would be using these serums to brighten the skin, even skin tone, help fade wrinkles or hyperpigmentation, and then also to hydrate. So a serum will always have that hydrating aspect as well. And you can use the oil-based serum if you like to have more face oils on your skin, or if you feel like your body really needs that type of hydration. Or we have the beautiful hydrating serum, which is a water-based serum. And this is lovely for instant absorption, to bring those qualities and those ingredients right into the skin immediately. It's also a wonderful way to excite your morning regime because you can layer the serum really nicely underneath your face cream or sunscreen, so you get that pop of activity and nutrition without adding a lot of heaviness. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to combine these serums in your skincare regime. So if you're interested in that, please watch on.